Today is a jam-packed video. We are doing an unboxing as well as opening Happy Mail, and I'm doing my 2,500 subscriber giveaway. Let's get into this video. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel, The Almost Organized Hour, where we are on a mission to get organized in our finances through budgeting, cash stuffing, and savings challenges. If that is something that interests you, please stick around. How is everyone doing today? I am super excited about today. We have an unboxing from Clever Fox. They reached out to me and I am so grateful and excited to get into this budget planner that they sent to me. We also have some Happy Mail from some of the my budgeting buddies from the community, and we're going to have the 2,500 subscriber giveaway today, and I am excited. Let's get started with this beautiful budget binder from Clever Fox. I wanted to leave it in its original packaging so you all can see that it comes wrapped very well. And for those who may not know, Clever Fox is a company. It's a stationery brand that specializes in products designed to help us to achieve goals and enhance productivity. They sell anything from planners to journals and dot journals and wellness journals and budget planners and life planners. Just a plethora of different stationery materials, cash envelope systems, and the whole works. And it has such a joy to be able to work with such a wonderful company. So this budget planner lasts for 12 months, and it helps to track expenses and all of the things. So let's just get into this. First of all, I must say that this feels absolutely amazing. It's super soft and it feels really good. This snap open and close very well, so that is great. And it has their logo right here on the snap. And this is the standard A5 size binder. It's a little bit larger than their A5 size planner, but it is, I measured it against my A5 size binder and it measures about the same. So that is good to know. And look at this beautiful inside zipper pocket. So you guys, listen, you can definitely use this as a budget planner. You can use this as a cash envelope as your cash envelope binder, because it has these pockets here, as well as something that you can use as like a coin purse, or a coin section here. You can put your cards there if you would like. And it comes with their standard quick start guide. And this guide, if you've ever ordered from Clever Fox before, most of their products come with this quick start guide that you can use to help you understand all of the facets of their product. And so this is just going to let us know all of the things that is happening and how to fill out this budget planner. It gives examples on how to use each one of the sections, which I think is so helpful, especially if you have never used a planner before. And then it comes with this warranty card where if you are not satisfied, you can definitely get your money back. So that's cool. And then you get all of these fun stickers for all the sticker planners out there. I know that you guys have a ton of stickers, but sticker planning is so fun. And I'm definitely going to be using these because I like this foil that they have on there, and the payday and paid. Oh, these are so great. And it looks like with 3 sheets of planning stickers. These are beautiful. Set those over to the side. And the basic standard page here. Oh, wait. That is nice. Very nice. Okay, so then we have this page here that you can fill out if you desire. My financial goals, my tactics and strategies here. Very nice. And then we get into the monthly calendar. It's undated, which is great, so that you can use this, jump in whenever you get the planner. So that works out perfectly. We have the monthly goals here, to-dos, the bills and expenses, as well as the due dates, and the income and savings. So that is great as a monthly overview. Then you have your actual monthly budget broken down into different categories. We have home, food, healthcare, credit and loans, which is, if you have any debts and things, personal, transportation, it says transport, entertainment, and others. And then you have your totals here at the bottom. Then you have a couple pages of expense tracking, which is very important that I need to get, that I personally need to make sure that I work on more diligently. Then we have something like a pie chart to help us to see where our percentages are with our money. And then the monthly overview. So this is like your monthly recap and closing out your monthly budget. And so that is great. Then we have some ideas and notes. And I like that these are dots for all those who like to draw and like these dot note pages. That is awesome. And then it keeps going. And I love how it changes the colors. And as we keep going, so there are 12 months of those of these undated monthly spreads, as well as trackers and the monthly review pages. And then once we get to and once we get to the last month, then we have these savings trackers that are nice and colorful here, and you can use these to help track your savings for the different categories that you may have. And I like that they are separated by different colors. Then we have some debt trackers here to help us to track our debt and get rid of it. And then we have a holiday budget. So this is really nice, this holiday budget section, to help us to plan for the holidays and holiday spending. And then the regular bill tracker. Now, I use something like this in my Happy Planner where I keep track of the bill, the month, and then the bill, and then whether or not each bill was paid throughout that month. So that is good for that. And then we have this summary for the year. Now, I like this. I have not done this. And so this is definitely something that I would like to incorporate, is having a summary of the year. So that is great. And then more dot pages for notes and ideas and things. And then we close out with this dashboard. And then at the end, we have these budget sheets and some cash envelopes. So how great is that? And these are not just your standard paper material envelopes. These feel a little more sturdy. I don't know what material this is, but it's definitely a little more sturdy than just your typical paper material. So these are nice, and they come in the different colors, and then you can put in your category. And I believe that you can wipe this clean. It feels like a surface that you can write on and wipe off. Let's test it out. Okay, I have a marker here. And let's just say that the budget is $100, and we drop that in. And let's see if we can wipe it off. Okay, it didn't smear on my finger, but let's see. Yeah, we can just wipe that right off. That is great. All right, so these are absolutely beautiful. And you can use these for whatever your desired category would be. And let's see how many. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have 13 cash envelopes along with the budget sheets. So these are very nice. Oh my goodness. And then you have this huge pocket in the back that you can put receipts in, or any papers that you would like to keep in here. And this just is absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you all like this planner or if you like this company, Clever Fox, they have provided a coupon code in the description box. You can use that promo code to get a percentage off of your order when you make that purchase. So feel free to go check out the description box for that. This is an absolutely beautiful planner. Thank you so much, Clever Fox, for sending this to me, and I'm excited to get started with it. Next, I have some Happy Mail. So this first piece of Happy Mail is from Tracy over at Golden Girl Budgets. And if you all are have seen any of the other videos, that Tracy sent out a mailing from her mailing list to those who are on her mailing list, and I just happen to be on her mailing list. Of course, this is her beautiful card, Golden Girl Budgets, and it says, just wanted to say a big thank you for signing up for my mailing list. I'm excited to share a free savings challenge with you. It's a little something to make budgeting more fun. Here's the cool part. If you finish the challenge, I'd love to see a pic of it with your savings. Share it on Instagram and tag me at Golden Girl Budgets. I'm here cheering you on in your budgeting adventure. Thanks so much for being part of mine, Tracy. And then you have the scan me for her Etsy, her YouTube, and her Instagram. So how cool is that? Thank you so much, Tracy. And if you all are not already doing so, feel free to go check out Tracy over at Golden Girl Budgets. I mention her very often. And this is a beautiful savings challenge. Save $50 is perfect. I'm going to have to add this to my Tiny Tuesday binder. Thank you again so much, Tracy. All right, this next piece of Happy Mail is from Lizzie over at Busy Lizzie Budgets. I'm hoping that you are recovering well, my friend. And thank you so very much for being so generous and thoughtful while you are in your not feeling well state. So she sent this to me prior to Easter, and I opened it previously so that I could see all of the wonderful things that she sent, because she told me that she was sending it for Easter. So thank you so very much. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful paper clips. They are so pretty. She just finds the most unique things. I just think that these are absolutely gorgeous. And this is from a company called To Do Papel. I think that's how you pronounce it. But these are so pretty. And it says that these are handmade. So that is awesome. So beautiful. So I'm excited to get started with using these. And she also sent a bunch of fun stuff to my children as well, and they just ripped right into it. You will see Tiny's unboxing, if you haven't seen it already, of the wonderful items that Auntie Lizzie sent to them. Holy Spirit Activate. How cute is that? These are beautiful. He is risen, and Holy Spirit Activate. And even the paper backing that they use for them are beautiful. And then she also sent this, Blessed is She Who Believes. And this is such a beautiful book. I've already started writing in it, and it's just so, so pretty. And I'm definitely going to put this with my Bible, because I was just saying how I needed to replace my older notebook that I already filled out with a new one. And so this came right on time. So thank you so much for that. And then I also received these paper clips from her. They're so adorable. Look at this, you guys. It's an owl. And the other one are wings. Oh my goodness, just absolutely beautiful. Now, this is the only piece that I did not open when I opened up the other pieces. So I wanted to open this on camera. I do not know what is inside. So let's check it out together. Sis. All right, let's see. What do we have here? I know that some people don't like the crinkly sound of opening paper, so I wanted to make sure I respected that. So it says, Sis Nita, choose joy. Oh yeah, for sure. Hold on. Oh my goodness, Lizzie. Thank you so very much for your kind words. I truly appreciate your encouragement and your generosity, your thoughtfulness, and your prayers as well. And look at these beautiful stickers. Oh my goodness, let's get into this. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Oh, wonderful. Jesus loves you, absolutely. Be the light. Perhaps this is the moment for which you were created. Amen. Be still, Psalms 46:10. And that's cute little owl. Purple owl. Oh, very nice. Thank you. And look at this. This is the fruit of the Spirit from the faithful. I think that says the faithful dash. I am not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so then we have love, peace, kindness, gentleness, self-control, patience, joy, faithfulness, and goodness. How cute is this? This is awesome. It comes in both the A5 and the A6, and that is Galatians 5:22 through 23. Oh, and this is from Ellie. Oh, that's perfect. I was looking for one more owl challenge for my owl binder, and this is a low amount too, so that is perfect. Thank you so much. How cute are these? And Lenovo B, honey, me and you. This is so pretty. Animal savings. How nice. Thank you so much, Lizzie. You are so thoughtful. These are absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, buckle up, you guys. This is going to be a long one already. We're just at the halfway mark and we have so much more to do. It's so exciting. Thank you very much, Lizzie. I truly appreciate it. And thank you to the shops that you purchased from as well for their beautiful items. Next is some Happy Mail from Marlene over at Snow Gardener 307. You all recognize that logo. I ordered some stuff for her for the giveaway. So let's see what's inside. Her items are always packaged so nicely. So we have her business card here with all of her social media handles. I think that's what you call them. So feel free to go check those out. Oh, and it's got a little scratch off on the back. Awesome. Remember to keep smiling. Every dollar adds up. Save a little more. Excellent. Will do. Thank you. Thank you for your order. I appreciate your support of my small business more than you know. Nita, hello. I'm so excited to add an extra or two for you to do what you want with. Hugs and smiles, Marlene, aka Snow Gardener 307. Awesome. And there is a cute little ladybug challenge on the back. How adorable. Thank you so much, Marlene, for adding an extra. Happiness is blowing bubbles. How cute. And this is the koala mystery that she sent. So that a subscriber sent to my Tiny. It's so cute. And it's got a challenge on the back as well. How adorable. Sweet summer friends. Oh, I think I'm going to keep this one for myself. I think my daughter has the other one, has another one. And let's see. We have the All I Want for Christmas is a Puppy. How cute. This is Save 100. And What Goose. My duck's name is What. Find the goose for the bonus. Watch out for those sneaky multipliers. Ooh, this one is fun. All right. So we have Happiness is a long, hot bubble bath. These are beautiful, Marlene. Oh my goodness. Have your cake and eat it too. Oh, beautiful. And Mooey Christmas. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so very much, Marlene. I really appreciate this. Now, I had originally purchased this one for my daughter, but because a subscriber had gifted it to her, then I get to gift this one to you all in the community as a part of the giveaway. And most of these were just items that she just blessed us with. And so I am so grateful. Thank you so very much, Marlene. Oh my goodness, you guys are amazing. So I am going to go ahead and set these to the side so that we can open up our next piece of Happy Mail, and then you all will see these later for the giveaway. Oh, it's so exciting. This next piece of Happy Mail is from Madeline over at Madeline Budgets. And it says, thank you for your purchase. Thank you for supporting my small business. It means the world to me that you chose something from my shop when there are so many options out there. I hope your order brightens your day because it actually made mine. Oh my gosh, Maz, that's so sweet. Follow me on all of her handles, all of her places to reach out to her, Etsy, YouTube, Instagram, and email. So if you have not done so already, please feel free to check out Madeline over at Madeline Budgets. I hope that you all can see that. And then on the back it says, congratulations on 2,500 subbies, Nita. Very proud of you. Love, much love, Madeline. Thank you so much, Madeline. All right, love and thanks. This is pretty. Oh, it's a scratch off on the back. Nice. Very nice. This is just my order slip. And then this one says, for Nita, this is beautiful. I don't remember seeing this on your shop, Madeline. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's cherry blossoms over the water. And it's laminated with the corners rounded. Listen to that. It sounds so sturdy. This is beautiful. I'm so glad this one is for me. And it's $50, so it's perfect. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. And then these get to be for the giveaway. Look at this beautiful sticker. Smile, you got Happy Mail. So we have merry-go-round for 100. And I may have just done that by accident. Trying to open it up. Life's a roller coaster for 100. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then birthday savings challenge for 100. These are so absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much, Madeline, for sending these. Oh my goodness. I really appreciate it. All right, the very first hashtag is hashtag fun, and this includes Marlene's It's a Koala Mystery, and it also has this beautiful design on the back as well. And then we have this lovely savings challenge from Tracy over at Golden Girl Budgets. Save $50. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I picked this up a while ago, and here we are we get to use this for the 2,500 subscriber giveaway. I purchased two because I really like this one, and I knew that if I was going to give one away, I had to have one to keep. Then we have this beautiful gift from Lindsay over at Boy Mom Loves to Save, and it saved $90. It's absolutely cute, absolutely beautiful savings challenge, and the denominations are low, and you still get to save a high amount, so that is fantastic. And then we have Life's a Roller Coaster for Madeline over at Madeline Budgets. And this is Save $100. And this is absolutely beautiful as well. And this is hashtag fun. So if you would like this savings challenge, these savings challenges, please leave in the comment section hashtag fun for your chance to enter in. Now, I did not mention, let me raise that up a bit, what the rules of the giveaway are. The rules are you have to be 18 or older. That is YouTube's rule, I believe. And you have to be willing to provide your mailing address so that I can send the savings challenges to you. This giveaway is open to anyone across the world who can accept USPS mail. And so feel free to enter if you are international or if you are stateside. All of the giveaway items will be open to both international and the U.S. So those are the rules. You just have to be 18 or older, be willing to provide your mailing address and accept USPS mail, and you just have to leave the hashtag in the comment section. The giveaway will run for the duration that is across the screen. So feel free to check out the description box if you have any questions about the giveaway. All right, let's keep going. It's so exciting. All right, the next one is hashtag Mary, and this includes merry-go-round from Madeline, this beautiful savings challenge from Lindsay over at Boy Mom Loves to Save. You save $50 with this one. And then happiness is, and this is from Marlene over at Snow Gardener 307, and it also has this beautiful color in the bubbles challenge on the back. And this is hashtag, you can't even see it, silly me. This is hashtag Mary if you would like these challenges. Next is hashtag home. And this one is from Liz over at Liz and Les. And it is this beautiful homebody living room savings challenge. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. You build the living room set with these stickers. And it's a sticker challenge for all of those who may not know Liz from Liz and Les. She sells sticker challenges, absolutely wonderful quality. And this beautiful savings challenge is a part of this hashtag home giveaway. Then we have What Goose, and this is from Marlene over at Snow Gardener 307. It looks like it's going to be a fun game. You can probably roll the dice for this one because it's got some fun things underneath those scratch offs. Then we have Happiness is a long hot bubble bath, and this also has a challenge on the back as well. And this one does too with some bonus scratchers, so that is awesome. This is Lucky Duck. How cute. And this is hashtag home. Let me raise these up. Hashtag home if you would like any of these savings challenges. Next is hashtag birthday. Hashtag birthday if you like this beautiful Sprinkle Kindness savings challenge from Liz over at Liz and Les. And you can save $100 with this savings challenge with these cute donuts. And then the sprinkle board on the backhand side where you put the actual stickers on that as well. So that is super cute. Then we have Your Cake and Eat It Too, $50 savings challenge from Marlene. And it also has this cute, these cute cupcakes on the back. How cute is this? All right, and that is save $50. And then the birthday savings of $100 from Madeline over at Madeline Budgets. Beautiful colors in there. If you like these savings challenges, please put in the comment section. Please put in the comments hashtag birthday. All right, and then we have Liz again from Liz and Les. We have this beautiful book savings challenge, and it's so cool because you can save the top number, or you can save the bottom number, or you can save both numbers for even more savings. And then you just put them on the bookshelf, and it's absolutely beautiful. She's just so creative. And that is that one. Then we have the shopping one from Lindsay over at Boy Mom Loves to Save. And I know these Highland cows are all the rage right now. And this is just so adorable. So if you like this, it says shopping is the only sport I need. And then we have some new savings challenges from my shop. God's Promise, save $55 with the scripture at the bottom. He Loves Us, save $45. And Sunshine and Rain, it's a roll and scratch, save $30 plus. And you just roll the dice and just put the numbers inside of the little sun hearts. And if you like these savings challenges, it's hashtag books in the comment section. Hashtag books. Okay. Next is hashtag puppy. Hashtag puppy. So this includes All I Want for Christmas is a Puppy from Marlene, Snow Garden 307, save $100 plus. And then we have these cute little pups on the back and the hearts and paws. So adorable. And it totals up to $55. And then we have this Scratch and Save, which is a new one from my shop. Save $75, amounts between $2 and $20 on this one. And then Merry Christmas on the back, and this is save $25. And then we also have these little guys here, and these are little Christmas icons that are Scratch and Save. These are laminated and printed These are smaller than the ones that I sell in the shop, but these are like my oopsie ones, but I thought they were so cute, so I wanted to give them away. And these have little scratchers underneath them and different animals under here. So just a bunch of different Christmas animals, and they're so small and cute. But they were too small for what I wanted to do, so I was able to use them here. If you like these savings challenges, put in the comment section #puppy. All right, next, #Christmas. #Christmas. All right. And this includes this cute Christmas tree savings challenge from Liz over at Liz and Les. Again, this is a sticker savings challenge, and you can save $100 with this one. And you take the trees and you put them in this beautiful, beautiful scenery here. And that is just so cute. And then we have a Mooey Christmas with this cute cow on here, and this is from Marlene over at Snow Gardener 307. This has some fun things happening inside of there as well, because this is a $50 plus, so probably has like she said, some multipliers in here. And then this cute savings challenge on the back. And then we have another new item from my shop, is this Christmas present cutout, and this savings challenge can save $100. The amounts are between $1 and $20 on this cutout. And if you like these savings challenges, write in the comment section #Christmas. #Christmas. Finally, for those who like digital savings challenges and prefer digital savings challenges because you like to do your challenges on your iPad or on your smart device, then I have some savings challenges for you as well. And we have these beautiful digital downloads, and this one is from GB over at Income Babes. I think this is absolutely gorgeous with rainbow wings and roll the dice and flutterfly savings challenges. Beautiful. And these will be sent to you as a digital download. So that is this one from GB over at Income Babes. Then we also have this one from Fiona over at Frugality is Life, and it is wintertime savings, save $60. And then we have Boys Toys, and this is from Authentic Allison Co. on Etsy, Authentically Allison on YouTube. And this is save $100. So if you would like any of these digital items, feel free to leave in the comment section #digital. #digital. We have so many wonderful prizes from so many wonderful and creative creators in the budgeting community. Thank you all so very much for your generosity and giving me extra towards this 2,500 subscriber giveaway. You guys, I'm so excited. Thank you all so very much for being here and sharing this journey with me, for going along on this ride. I truly, truly appreciate it. As a small token of my gratitude, I have some free savings challenges. Thank you. And you can save $2,500 with this one for those who like to save a lot. And then we have smaller ones that you can save $250 or $25, whatever your budget allows. And then we also have a roll and save version of this thank you savings challenge. Thank you so very much, you guys. This is just a small thank you to each and every one of you. So I hope that you all submit your requests in the comment section for the item that you would like to win in this giveaway. Best wishes to each and every one of you. Thank you very, very much for your support of me during this journey. My family and I are so grateful. Thank you, and I hope that you like the items that you see and that you'll participate in this giveaway. Thank you again for 2,500 subscribers. If you all like the kind of content that I provide, please feel free to hit the like button on the videos. Make sure that you hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified the next time that I upload a video. Thank you again so much, everybody. And remember, always remember that tiny amounts grow to big savings. So keep saving, you guys. And until next time, Bye.
I know that was quite painful.